Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be Long Bean Omelette, a side dish for your family meal. Simple to make and healthy for your family. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Preparation is very simple. Peel the carrots and cut them into small cubes. Chop the long beans into small cubes. And that's all for your preparation. And the cooking begins. At medium heat, add in half cup of oil in a frying pan. Add in the long beans and fry them until almost brown. Add in the carrots and garlic. Cook until carrots are softened. Add in the salt and mix well. Add in the eggs surrounding your ingredients. You may flip using the pan, but if you are not confident or your pan is very big, you can cut the eggs into 4 pieces before flipping them. Once the underside is brown, it's done. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!